Happy Chinese New Year to all. We see really this is very excited moment for me because every year we are growing and keep growing. Today I want to say something about our company. As you know, myself is Aftab and I start my journey with Tobys 2018. I learned so many things from Mr. Tobys. He is the one who teach me how to live the life and do our best for our company and future. Today you can see this is my dream from 4 years. I want to bring my family here to give good education to my kids. And today you can see my son come with me. I really very happy to see them. Our vision is very clear because our company bring to more product and more famous product in market. And our name also very famous in market. Now mostly customer asking when passing from our shop, they knows our brand. And they want to buy from us mostly. Thank you so much and a happy new year to all.